whenever I'm creating a space, I'm trying to create a new unknown and be in it and experience it. It's not ever been about any formula for me. It's always something that I feel inside. Under movable furniture, it's a crime. We need to celebrate the women who step out of the house. When you're designing a space, it's less about you, but it's more about the person you're designing for.
Your toes have more personality than some of the people we know.
I think he'll not care about it. मेरे को बता नलका किधर है?
Today we told our cushions to actually behave themselves क्योंकि आज अगर थोड़ा सा भी एंगल अलग होगा तो they are cancelled out of this studio, they're cancelled out of this universe.
Seriously, even our lights are standing in full attention right now because they know who's coming.
Exactly. So who's coming? Batao.
So hi guys, hello and welcome to Top 2 where we bring you personalities you would love to see, learn from and get inspired by. I'm Leena.
And I'm Aisha, and today's guest is not just an architect or a designer or an interior person. She's an experience in her whole. You know those people who instantly when they come in the room, it's like, हाँ ये जगह तो breathe हो रही है, it's breathing, but I'm just gonna have a touch and then let's see क्या होता है इसका.
She's a designer whose detailing is so sharp that even her clients, they think in high budget mode. And she always has very calm, classic answers that design तो हम संभाल लेंगे. आप बस एक अच्छी चाय मंगवा दीजिए.
चाय उसको बहुत पसंद है, मुझे पता है पहले से ही. जब बचपन में जब चाय होती थी उसमें हम बिस्किट डिप करके खाते थे. पार्ले जी बिस्किट्स वो बहुत खाती थी. एवरी टाइम कि पार्ले जी खाएगी बिस्किट आ रही है. मैं आई रिमेम्बर दिस very sharply on her. Wow. So her vibe is absolutely. She's so cool, she's elegant and elegance is coming out of her because whenever I see her I feel like that. Her talent is turning into spaces which are pure emotions. Simple walls को भी वो personality दे सकती है. She's painting with invisibility and you don't know कि क्या हुआ है, but when you walk into her spaces you feel pure magic.
Wow. I mean, she's so good with fabrics, iconic colors, statements, lights. I mean, she is great with her, detailing at work. Every project of her whispers that, it says like design is not what it looks like. It's actually how it makes you feel.
While she's handling creativity, clients, travel, motherhood, all together, she still manages to be stylish, calm, and absolutely iconic.
Let's welcome the brilliance, the balance, the boss energy, Shimona Bansali, the founder of Design Hacks.
Hi,
everyone.
This is a very happy introduction for a very simple me. Thank you for having me on the show.
We are honored to have you.
Yes.
I'm so glad to be on the couch with Aisha and Leena, who have been my childhood friends. And, for the first time I have to sit so formally, otherwise it would be just really actually with that cup of tea and the biscuits on the sofa. But I'm so glad to have this conversation and share the space with two equally talented girls.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me once again.
It's our pleasure. Basically, we are fan and we have those fan moments of your work. We have gone through it.
Stop,
I'm serious because when we were doing this, see, as friends, we don't know. We are okay. We always be with each other. But when you do a research on somebody, you actually do some work on people to understand more in details. When you're not in that industry, you have an insight which takes you somewhere else. And that is a fan moment. It's like wow,
like we've done since your childhood and seeing you creating something so magical. With
a lot of emotions.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
After this awesome self-introduction, हमको बताना कि who are you actually beyond your brand and who is Shimona?
I think I am very much that simple girl that you know from childhood, very much the same. Only a little more busy. But I think whatever time I get to myself, I escape into the same old, like dreamy self of mine where I believe that I only live in stories. And I believe that I'm always creating things that I've already imagined or lived in. And, as my childhood stories and my games when we were kids used to always be about survival.
Absolutely.
And we are lost in this world. And
यहाँ से निकलना कैसे है,
I
क्या
used to
करना है?
always take walks in we had sectors in Bombay where we lived.
Yeah.
And I used to take walks there alone,
Yeah.
thinking I should get lost somewhere and then I should have to
Oh.
find my way back. So I think it always excited
Imagining.
me to get into some new unknown territory. And I think whenever I'm creating a space, I'm trying to create a new unknown and be in it and experience it. So that's how creation comes to me.
Wow. Amazing. And what is Design Hacks? कब आया ये, क्या है ये?
Design Hacks was a more organic thing that happened. It was a little go with the flow type of thing, because how I've said, as a child also I was always going with the flow. Let's see what happens if you get lost. Let's see how I can find my way back. It was always like that. And as children, we were both very creative always. We were painting and we were like
painting on the walls.
Yeah, all everywhere.
Shimona, before this, she had an office. She was really young. I think Shimona has started off very, very young for everybody who does not know. And she had a little office when she started off. Maybe she was 16 or 17 years old. She painted this entire wall with her own hands. And I think it was a beautiful tree. It was a very
there
pretty
was a
tree.
friend who helped me with that. I was never very good with large murals.
Yeah.
But I always had the idea of what I wanted there.
One day I was there, the next day it wasn't there. So I went home. The next day I saw itna bada mural on the wall, the whole full-fledged tree. I'm like, ye kya? And then she's always...
So Aisha, I think, I always enjoyed those larger canvases. But if you remember, that office was actually for products.
Correct.
I was making little sculptures out of paper.
Right.
And that was because I thought interiors was something just that you did on the side. It was not something that I had to pursue as a profession.
Right.
Because we were always I was part of the homes that we were designing as a child, part of the offices we were designing, and the offices that I did for myself, for my sister. It was a very natural thing happening on the side when I was creating these paper sculptures.
It's so pretty.
And then I got married into a real estate family, and my family was very encouraging. My husband was very and I think as a child also my parents were very trusting. Then I went into a family that was very trusting. They always opened their doors to...
So community helps you.
Yeah, and they pushed me, and then they made me realize that I loved design, but how much more I could do with these larger spaces, larger canvases. So I think from there on, I decided to sell my product design company, and I don't know how I sold it, but I did.
It was very heavy heart because you were so attached to it. That was one of your first, I think, projects, SmartWorks.
I think for me, once I know, okay, full stop, I'm over it.
Yeah.
Once it's a full stop, I'm over it. When I'm
into it, I remember. Do you remember this question? I asked you, how will you do that? How would you do that? And you said, I am ready to do that because I'm ready to get into a new venture.
Yeah,
I
remember comes into me, and so the day I sold my company, I was already I had about 7 to 8 projects up my sleeve. So it was a very natural transition because I was not leaving design. For me, if I had to cut myself from design, it would be like a big thing. No, I went deep into it.
And in fact, dreams.
Yes, in fact, now we are a multidisciplinary design firm where we're doing products. We're doing interiors and we're doing architecture. So now I'm doing design across all kinds of fields. I'm even, as a product design firm that we have, I create art, we create furniture, we create carpets. So basically, I don't want to leave anything unchecked.
I know, and I know her. She always has this eye to, just see into things and she
detail
understands. Yeah, she's always very
But Aisha has always been beside me, alongside any journey that I've taken. And so encouraging and so motivating and so positive. I love this energy of yours.
She's very motivational.
She
gives you that pep talk.
This has come back to me.
It's good. You deserve to be here. What you're doing is good.
God. I mean, all two of you. You are professionals in your own way. Leena has done so well for herself. You've done so well for yourself. So I'm so happy for that. And to go ahead with this podcast, we have a segment called as meaty questions. Now, the meaty questions means something substantial, which invites deep thinking. Sometimes it's not quick answers. Sometimes some things which has more depth in it. So let me start off with this. So what was the moment in your journey when you realized that this is a good design? It isn't about aesthetics, it's about decisions, courage, and sometimes also saying no to certain things. How did that shift your way to building design?
Aisha, it's not ever been about any formula for me. It's always something that I feel inside. I always tell people, and it's so true, I'm not just making up words and saying this. My mouth has to water.
Yeah.
When I see the perfect mix of things happening. If that mouth watering happens, I know, stop.
ये सही है.
And till that doesn't happen, I know कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. There's something I want to take out of it or add into it or correct or balance in that proportion of colors and levels and sizes, and till it doesn't hit the right spot, that mouth watering doesn't happen. And I don't stop till that.
You know what? I remember something when we were little younger, and she used to design her own homes and her own offices. She used to get these paintings. I think paintings or something on the wooden wall, and she used to like, चलो चलो यहाँ पे लगाओ, यहाँ पे लगाओ, यहाँ पे लगाओ. And she used to like stand there and like, ये ठीक नहीं है, ऊपर करो, नीचे करो, ऊपर नीचे. And I used to like, क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है?
I still do that. And you know, I have this very weird thing where I actually do this.
लग रहा है. अभी क्या ऐसा क्यों नहीं? क्या मतलब what is that is missing? मैं वहाँ पे देखती रहती थी वॉल पे, मुझे कुछ नहीं नजर आता था. इसको 10,000 चीजें और नजर आती होगी. ये क्या है? इसको ऐसे करके देखे मैं whatever.
So I can never tell you the formula.
Yeah.
What it is. What am I doing? There's
Designer in the
something.
making
There's
already.
something that has to hit right in my head for that to happen.
And I think she's right because she's always had that knack for it. Okay, after this meaty questions, let's get into some fun and light things like game segments. Yeah.
Aisha, don't put me into those difficult ones that you do.
No. It's going to be really fun game. So what we'll do is we'll give you some situations or some dialogues. You tell us if this is your regular client or this is a celebrity.
Okay. Normal आपका regular client ऐसे बात करता है या celebrity ऐसे
ऐसा situation आपको कोई regular client दे सकता है या
I don't think anything is going to go out of the regular client scope because I think we've seen everything. I hope, let's see.
Okay. पहले है
Aisha will start the first one.
I want a sofa that matches with my pet's or dog's personality. Or you want to know what is the dog's breed?
I think my client could say that if they love their dog because some people love fur and some people love all of that. Yeah, it could make it to the client zone. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a celebrity thing. We get all these kind of requests.
Normal.
I've not had this one particularly. But there are similar things.
Leena, if you make your house, I think तेरा ये request होगा cat वाला.
Yeah, I'll need a cat proof.
But I think before my clients, I might also say sometimes.
Dog's personality, pet's personality.
Let's at least have one chair dedicated to your pet and let it look like it belongs to them.
Yeah,
I could say that.
And but you have to know the breed of the dog and all.
Without getting into technicality, I think that naturally comes. You know, look at the dog and the chair has to belong.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Next.
Can we keep everything neutral at the same time, something colorful and subtle?
Every client. But actually, there would be more adjectives. It couldn't be like just 3.
Right, many more.
I want very neutral, I want very simple. But dear, I want colors also. But like, let it be in pops, let it be in this. And I don't want loud, but I don't even want it to be bland. Do you think it's very colorless? Do you think it's boring? Do you think people...
Right.
Yeah, no, actually, Shimona, I've seen your sites. You do so many colors. You know, why are you not doing color here? Because you want a neutral. No, I didn't mean I want neutral. I wanted like...
It goes on.
It goes on. Okay.
Oh my God.
Give me a sofa where I can flip dramatically and look respectable even if somebody walks in. ऐसे करके.
Yeah. I mean, we tackle that with styling all the time.
Yeah.
That's every client.
Okay.
There are some things that are me in this also.
Yeah. This is me too.
Yeah, it's
like ऐसे गिर जाओ और फिर सबको लगे कि मैं अभी तक.
In fact, I tell them to make everything that looks like that. But if you want to present it otherwise, there should be an option. Yeah.
Okay. Can I have a kitchen like I cook and also like I don't at all?
Every client. Once it's clean, it's celebrity kitchen.
Right.
But it's a normal client request.
Please design a corner that makes me look like I always am in deep thought, but when I'm actually thinking of biryani.
I do that for people. I do that. I give that corner. Yeah.
You do keep that corner. कैसा लगता है वो actually? Cozy होता है.
Yeah,
सबके साथ
very
अलग-अलग
cozy.
होता है.
Very, very, very cozy. I think whatever deep personal thoughts you need to have, it needs to be in a cozy space. You will never sit in a large, intimidating living room. Even if it's beautiful, you'll never sit there and think of biryani and all that, right? You'll always want to go to a cozy corner to
large spaces में biryani वो cozy place में बैठते ऐसा लगता है बंद हो गया, shut down हो गया.
Aisha, you're a princess, no? We have those kind of clients also. Where their cozy spaces are also large. I'm not saying cozy space has to be small.
Large spaces.
I'm just saying intimidating. It should not be.
मेरे लिए बड़ा space.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Okay, now can the bathroom feel like a spa and also not like a spa so that I don't forget to leave?
Yeah, that's me with all of the relatively decent size houses. I always say the bathroom should not look like just a bathroom.
Yeah.
It should look like a spa. It should look like that, right?
Right, of course.
Everybody, na? Even you would say
You
that.
don't need to
You
go
would
to
say
the
that
spa
to me if
then.
you were my client, right?
Spa at home.
Yeah. And we are making
You
spas
always
at home in almost every luxury home because we do luxury homes.
Correct.
In almost every project, we're trying to include spa, massage room, salons. We are having like hair wash areas. So this is a very common request.
And I think you also really like to having good, nice bathrooms yourself. You
I mean, I'm making my own house and I'm definitely doing that.
right?
Definitely.
Jacuzzi in the bathroom
Yeah.
and all of that.
Yeah.
Give me a mirror that adjusts according to my mood because I won't adjust.
Nobody. I think nobody. Because mirror then adjusts your mood. I don't know if that technology is coming yet. But if people know
Angle.
that comes in, then everybody's going to ask for it.
Absolutely.
I don't think that a celebrity has to ask for these things. Our clients are all the biggest celebrities I know.
And I agree.
Every client is like a celebrity now.
Yes,
And you should treat them like one.
Yes.
Make a wardrobe that looks curated, even though I just wear the same 3 outfits.
Everybody. Me too.
Let's have a dining table that impresses guests into ignoring my food delivery habits. Dining table.
Everybody. I think
Yeah.
I think this game you can just take a blanket answer for everything.
Yeah.
That
Wow.
we get all sorts of demands and anybody who can afford anything at all.
Then you know, like, but
Why
everybody
should
else
I
does
have
not
a
know.
Correct.
No,
Everyone
Aisha, what
wants
has
to
changed now is that clients are very aware of what is available to them.
Correct.
You know, because of Instagram and all.
Right.
Initially, people were not aware.
Right.
They wouldn't ask for it. Now that they know, they ask for everything. So it's
A lot
that
of
kind
awareness
of-
now, I feel.
Yes, it's because
Correct.
of that people say, you know, this one has that I wanted. I saw that I want this. I went to this. People are going to design fairs. They're going to these product fairs, and they know everything that's available.
इंटरनेट डॉक्टर जैसी कोई चीज होती है तो इंटरनेट आर्किटेक्ट और इंटीरियर डिजाइनर वाली भी चीज होती है जो आपको आके बताते हैं कि ये नहीं ये हमने वो देखा था हमको वो चाहिए ऐसे
I was on a panel recently, and it was called de-influencing of homes.
अच्छा
So people are so influenced right now, where and they think that
Stimulated.
their designer probably doesn't know everything that's available in the market, and it's our responsibility to bring that and give it to them and ensure that they've checked everything. So that's happening a lot. That's happening a lot.
handling that pressure. Like what do
Luckily,
you do?
we've passed that stage and our clients trust us now. But I know
Right.
that a lot of younger designers have a lot of problem at that end.
Making
Because
them believe.
first of all, people
Gaining the
don't
trust.
have sufficient budgets to be able to incorporate everything. Second of all, everything that you see doesn't work for your home.
Correct.
I mean, there are wardrobes on remote control that shut and they save space and they open. But on an everyday basis, if you have space, you're not willing to move your wardrobe, the entire wardrobe on remote. Here or there.
Correct.
So there are a lot of these kind of solutions that look so fancy.
But then
And
they don't work in the long
It
run.
makes sense also to have that space open all the time. But do you really want to actually move your wardrobe every single day? I think that's the example that comes to the top of my
Is it
mind. because
practical?
Is it
my
practical?
clients have asked me for that a lot of times, and I don't think it's sensible.
So I think it depends upon client to client.
Client to client, and space to space, and budget to budget.
Yeah. So right now we are going to show you some pictures and you have to say that ये design है या ये crime है, ठीक है? या ये blend भी हो सकता है या whatever. So this is like some sofa with neon
Wow.
with LED strips under it.
No,
ये crime
actually, I don't even like multicolored lights and
है. हाँ.
things.
और वो भी sofa के नहीं अंदर.
But under movable furniture, it's a crime.
It's a crime, no?
You have to fix that furniture in that place, and it looks so
Hideous.
shabby. I mean, the way this is done, definitely no. But I wouldn't pick this for anything else also.
I agree. Will you pick?
No ways.
Oh, it's a crime.
ये रेड कलर का हार्ट शेप
Oh.
बेड जो हम पहले मूवीज में भी देखते थे जैसे हार्ट शेप बेड्स
Oh.
क्राइम
I don't want to say anything because some people may use it, and I'm all about
use it guys
giving people whatever they love.
but don't use heart
But
shape
even if I
beds
did a heart shape bed, I wouldn't make it
ऐसा
in
नहीं
red, and I will not add Chesterfield on it.
exactly right heart shape bed is okay but उसके आसपास की चीजें भी तो देखो white wall and heart shape bed कैसे लगेगा
Oh, don't make me do this. I don't feel good about this.
The
It's not
inner
even good
designer in
feeling.
her is like,
yeah
I'm getting like
screeching
yeah.
gold and gold मतलब पूरा पैलेस ही
Gold
बना
and
दिया
gold,
अरब
wow.
वर्ल्ड हो गया ये अरब पैलेस
I think so negative. I don't mind gold on gold, but I think there have to be negative
Balance.
spaces, and the shade of the gold has to be right.
It can't be like shiny
Yeah,
on your
and it can't be painted gold. Let it be brass, right?
Okay.
Let it be brass. Let it be authentic materials. No, don't show me all this white stuff.
Last. ये वाला अच्छा है.
I love this. I love this.
Garden.
I want my house to be like that.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Gardens and spaces does a lot of your space, right?
Green. I like to see green. I like to see water. I like to see sky.
nature.
And I like homes that are blended with the nature. I don't like homes that are interrupting the natural scene.
That's a nice advice.
I like it.
Yeah.
I may not live in so much starkness.
Yeah.
I do like a little bit of cozier, more ambient sort of space. This is very bright,
bright.
but I think this is also something lovely.
Lovely.
Like
right?
I want occasionally I want to be in such a space.
like holiday home.
And I love windows, picture windows that show sea views
views.
and
So we've been, where we used to live as children.
Yeah.
We are living just opposite the sea, me and Leena. And whenever we see sea somewhere, we always imagine each other, and we do give a call to each other, and then we
Yeah.
can imagine such homes. And
I
it's
think
like,
anything that connects you to nature, it's really like that memory never leaves you.
correct.
Never
Correct.
leaves you.
Absolutely.
Very true.
Green neon line in the bathrooms.
So in pubs and things like that, we
Yeah.
do that too, right?
Okay, so
Because
it
you're
fits
in
it.
that vibe and then you move into a washroom and
Okay.
it can't suddenly be a different vibe.
Only in pubs, guys. घर पे नहीं करना है. Okay. ये
It's
वाला.
okay. I mean, I'm the kind of
खोल
person.
के-
So I always give them warm light. But if they really like different colors of light, then I give them option to change that. But I don't want to see it.
Yeah, me too.
They can do it, but I don't want to see it.
Personal है guys, मत करना मेरे हिसाब से. Okay. Leopard print sofa.
Aisha, in a maximal thing where you're doing print on print, a little bit of this is okay.
But why?
If you see it like this,
लेकिन white
No.
white wall पे ऐसे leopard print
Yeah, yeah.
sofa like red heart shaped bed.
no.
It's some red pillows.
If you bring them together, then it's a big no.
Big
Red heart-shaped bed with leopard sofa is a big
Big
no.
crime.
But otherwise, I'm all about all kinds of prints. I think I can mix them. I think I would take it up as a
You will
challenge.
play with it.
As a challenge, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, moving on to a next fun game.
Hmm.
This is Bollywood design pitch. So what we'll do is we'll give you some Bollywood characters, and you have to tell us how would you design their homes. Okay?
Yeah.
I get time to think about this, right?
Yeah,
Like you can take all the time.
yeah. Starting with Pooh from K3G.
Pooh from K3 जिसका
Yeah.
घर कैसा दिखेगा? Karan Johar is
Definitely,
same
she definitely is a pink person,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
Pink,
yeah.
lot of pink in her room.
Yeah.
No, just
Pink was
because
her vibe.
But just because she's Pooh, she's not pink.
No,
but
she's a pink
wearing
Pooh.
a lot
She's
of
a pink
pink in the
She's a
movie
pink
too.
Pooh.
No,
yeah.
you're not getting confused between Pinkie Pie and Pooh.
No, I'm very sure I'm talking about Pooh.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Yeah, she
wore a lot
was.
of- Yeah.
Pink was a thing, yeah.
Pink
Yeah.
से कैसे उसका घर डिजाइन करोगे? क्या क्या रहेगा
See,
उसके
first
घर
of all,
में?
Pooh belongs to a certain era also.
Hmm.
Like that time, girls were into pink.
Right.
Pink was
They
also
were.
a thing. So
Yeah,
I
it
think
was a
all
big
shades of pink with little intrusions of white, some polka dots,
Wow. Yeah.
huge vanity with all of those like, those
Popping lights or
yes, the
something.
bulbs, the
yeah.
incandescent
Correct.
bulbs used to happen at that point of time.
I want to be Pooh in that era then.
Yeah, you are Pooh,
You are
Aisha.
Pooh,
And in
still
that
that
era,
Pooh,
you
in
were
this era.
Pooh. Yeah.
I was Pooh.
The main
She's
thing is
still-
everything should rate my apni favorite which is Aisha.
Very
Every single day Aisha is her own favorite.
That
I love
character is
myself.
coming next.
ये Shimona, that was secret.
Aisha, if you should just ask me if I had to design a house for you, it would be a Pooh home. Pooh home.
क्या बात है? ये तो नया आ रहा है. This is like on the platform. She's
Lena, don't
disclosing
you
this thing.
100%
I agree.
Totally
Totally
That
agree
would
with
be
Shimona.
totally Aisha's
Yes.
room.
Aisha's room.
क्या है ये?
And a really large walk-in wardrobe.
Yeah.
A lot of
Pink shoes, pink jackets.
ये मेरा troll हो रहा है guys. यहाँ पे I'm being like
It's okay, yeah, own it. You're your favorite now.
I am my favorite.
Yeah.
But ये तेरा भी vibe था. You were also very
But
happy
I'm
about
not like
it.
that. I'm always self-critical, you know.
Me too.
I'm telling you, I gain positivity from you.
So next. Change the topic. Okay. Kabir Singh.
Oh,
Shahid
very
Kapoor.
like grunge sort of vibe, like
very
rustic,
grungy,
metallic wooden flooring. But I think Kabir Singh would
उसके घर
have.
में बाई भी होगी.
But no, but I think Kabir Singh, because he just got into stardom, he would be like new money a little bit,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So he
yeah.
would want to show off.
splurge, yeah.
He would want all of those like branded sofas with the gold tags, and
Correct.
I would see some gold here. That he wouldn't be like a been there, done that, have my old money type of vibe. It would be little flamboyant and loud. Yeah.
I think ये एपिसोड के बाद आप बॉलीवुड जाके वो प्रोजेक्ट डिजाइन भी कर सकते हो कैरेक्टर्स के लिए. I think ये न्यू एवेन्यू है.
No, I'm very happy with my celebrity clients.
नहीं,
Everybody is a
this is
celebrity.
really कैरेक्टर वाले जो आपने ना
Yeah,
प्रोड्यूसर्स
maybe that can be considered.
There are very great set designers for that.
So क्या हुआ? You are not less. We know you.
He's from he's from Jab We Met.
I think a lot of prints, like I would see a lot of Punjabi-ness in her.
Right. She's a
And
Punjabi.
I'm also Punjab, born Punjabi, married to a Marwadi Jain.
Okay.
So,
Prince in your house? No.
and I don't think a
You're
very
a subtle
large
print.
space. Sorry.
You're a subtle Punjabi.
Yeah. If she would have also not had print on print too much,
Huh.
but she would have had those like little bit brighter colors and
Yeah.
all coming into her upholstery.
Mhm.
She was a little like
Yeah, she
and
was.
her cushions would be definitely maybe like with Indian prints a little bit. But I think apart from that, more clean, minimal. I don't know why I feel that.
Heat will have minimal.
I felt it.
She was her favorite. मेरी favorite.
पर वो इतनी
She was
सारी.
also, she
Yeah,
was also
just
her
like-
name. I don't know why he felt like a simpler person. Like she didn't care about. And she didn't care about interiors much.
हाँ और वो शिमला भी गई.
She's the kind of person who doesn't care about interiors, but she just wants to be outdoor and do crazy things and be dancing in the rain.
Correct.
Alright. Rocky Randhawa. Rocky Rani वाली Rani Rocky.
Rocky Rani.
हाँ.
You know what I've उसका रेफरेंस दो ना मुझे. वो वेरी बॉलीवुड पोस्टर से भरा हुआ टाइप ऑफ रूम कैसा लगेगा. बॉलीवुड पोस्टर नहीं होंगे पर वो बॉलीवुड पोस्टर लगेगा रूम. That room will look like a Bollywood poster.
Oh, real
Bollywood,
loud.
walking, talking Bollywood.
Yes,
Bollywood.
with a lot of rock star sort of like
Bikes.
Yeah, maybe like a bike
Bike
inside. Yeah, one of those rooms, correct.
Oh, wow.
Aisha, you're good at it. You set तो तू बना ले.
रॉकी का रॉकी वाला सेट में बना सकती
And वो लिखा होगा बड़ा Rocky and his face का one portrait over there.
Big bike.
Rocky Rani portrait.
ये मेरा फेवरेट है दूसरा वाला बाबूराव आपटे.
But I'll tell you, Babu Rao.
मुझे पता है क्या याद
I wanted a water tank full of alcohol कि मैं किधर से whenever I want a tap खोल के मैं पी जाऊँ.
So she would have a picture of that.
Yeah, make sure different. I think let it look like a brewery.
Wow.
With those what do you call them?
Actually, you would need that.
Beer barrels. Beer barrels.
बाबूराव आपटे.
Matlab,
Wine
yeah,
cellar,
he will
beer
have-
barrels.
I just want to say that he will
Okay.
have no say in the interior.
क्योंकि वो
The
बाकी
interior
दोनों कर रहे
designers
होंगे.
have full freedom.
गाढ़ा होना चाहिए.
But we'll make a huge, like for our happiness, we'll make a huge bar and we'll do all that. But he'll not care about it. ये मेरे को बता नलका किधर है?
पूरा नलका वाला और उसके बाद रेलिंग्स डालना बार-बार गिरता रहता है. ये रेलिंग्स इसके मुंह में.
Yeah. Cushion walls.
लास्ट वाली तू बता.
Maya from the movie कभी अलविदा ना कहना.
वो तो बहुत ही ज्यादा sophisticated
That movie.
है. बहुत sophisticated है. बहुत अच्छी सीन है.
मैंने देखी भी नहीं है वो.
तो अपने बारे में कुछ बता दे. सिमिलर टू यू. तेरा रूम कैसा होगा?
नहीं मैं अपने बारे में बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ.
फिर भी टेल अस समथिंग. आपके रूम में क्या होगा अगर आप डिसाइड करने वाले हो?
I like nature. My primary motive in life is to have nature. I want to be in nature. I don't even want to feel like I entered a room. I feel like अंदर जाके मुझे बाहर पहुंचना है.
क्या बात है.
और बाहर जाके मुझे अंदर जाना.
वाओ. ये वाली
It's tough. Don't do this one.
Okay, Shimona, this is our segment. We call it a Top 2 Academy. Okay, Top 2 Academy is a little bit more serious. So in this moment where we want to bring the whole creative community together, new designers, mid-career professionals, seasoned experts, सब एक जगह पे. Because we feel that conversations like these from personalities like you are just not interviews, they are lessons for a lot of people. Okay, the lessons people can take back home to their studios, to their teams, to their clients, in their own confidence. So we want it to be like a mini college lesson कि Top 2 Academy के ये podcast के पार्ट से लोग क्या सीख सकते हैं about your world, your business, and how to become you.
Okay. So I think the conversation we've had so far is how we we are so client-centric.
Yeah.
So I think when you're designing a space, it's less about you, but it's more about the person you're designing for. But understanding that person well is really important, and most people fail to do that. A lot of new people who come to our firm also, they're not able to really decode a human. I think they focus on what words the client is using, and the client rarely even knows the words that fit what he really wants.
You can't express
They
it
are
out.
not from that background. They're not able to express it in words. So
Achha.
I think being able to decode a client is really about having a lot of conversations with his family, their lifestyle, seeing how they live currently, what are the images that are appealing to them and all of that. So I think it should be very client centric, and it should not be, it should be very like an intuitive and spiritual connection,
Okay.
rather than just he said he wanted a white classic home and I made that. Those are the kind of designers who are not able to really express themselves also fully, because client gave them 2 words, they picked images for those 2 words and they created those 2 words.
और बाद में client को समझ में नहीं आया कि तो उसको अच्छा भी नहीं लगा.
But maybe they'll enjoy it. But
Or
then
maybe
how are you doing anything different in this world? I feel like,
तो वो skill होनी चाहिए.
and somebody also said recently, I met somebody, another designer, and he was like, the sad part is now from a lot of design magazines, if you remove the name of the designer, everything looks similar. It's not true. A lot of designers doing fantastic work. This was their opinion, but I
But
feel like
by
that
large.
should not happen.
By large.
Like if the name from your project is removed, it should be readable. Like there has to be an essence of something
Correct.
new.
ये मेरी
This is
design
done
रही,
by-
उसकी design
yeah.
रही, उसकी design
So
रही. That is
individual
signature touch.
authenticity that comes to every project. If you decode the client better and able to translate that into your version of things and have that kind of healthy conversation, it brings to light new things. And that brings me to my next point, is to be brave and bold and express yourself truly. Do not be scared of norms or trends, or what will people think, or will the client think, or if I design this and put it out there, what if others don't accept it, or they laugh at it, or
Right.
I think being true to your inner self and being confident to bring it out is really important as a designer.
So
And there are a lot of other things, but I think these are the top 2 from your segment that we just discussed off.
This is really important, because most of the people, maybe they look at other designers, they want to copy them, they want to fall for them, they want to look at their path and they say ये चल रहा है तो मैं ऐसे ही करूँगी, वो चल रहा है तो मैं ऐसे ही करूँगी.
I think it's okay to copy also, Aisha, but copy the right thing. Maybe a proportion, maybe a color balance, maybe something, but putting yourself and put in the client into it, so that it becomes a completely new mix of something you've created.
Controversial, but I'll ask, do designers go to internet and Pinterest and take designs?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah?
Of course.
That's what
Is it okay?
it's really okay, you
Yeah.
know. Because we are all taking inspiration from somewhere,
okay,
no?
Okay.
Today, if I take inspiration from this room, or if I take inspiration from the outside gully, or if I'm taking inspiration from a certain building,
Yeah.
I'm still taking inspiration, whether it was clicked on Pinterest and I took inspiration from there, or saw it with my own eyes, or
Correct.
if I saw a tree and took inspiration. We basically take inspiration
But
from
don't
something.
copy it. Or you can copy some aspects.
See, what happens is when you are doing a layout of a certain space, plus some client demand comes in, plus when you are doing material selection, when you bring that all together, anyway that place turns to become very authentic. Unless you're seeing something, you're saying, I want to get exactly this
replicate
color,
it.
this
Yeah.
texture. No, I want a window that is this size. Or in interiors, I want a couch that is exactly this image, and I want to get this table that exactly this. Nobody does that.
Nobody
Or
does
if
that.
you're doing that, then that's wrong. And I also tell people that if you're copying something, you know it inside that I'm copying. But if you're being original, you know it inside. No, I've made something of my
that
own.
confidence comes differently out in front of everyone.
There are
That is-
sometimes when I see other designers work also, I know it. Okay, their reference image was this. I can tell because I'm a designer. But it's still authentically their design. They've taken inspiration from that, but they've put in their own version of it. It doesn't look like that design anymore, but we as a designer know it. And that's taking inspiration and creating your own. Creating your own part should not be missed out of it.
Very well.
So what we said, that we have to be authentic, put yourself out, don't be scared, don't be bold enough to take that challenge, and then you can one day become her.
Yeah, see,
sitting on the couch.
I'm not from the interior design fraternity. So
Yeah.
when I started doing my initial few projects, I did worry about, because when my projects got shot and they got featured also,
Yeah.
by God's grace, we got that opportunity. Like when I became Design Hex from Shimona Bansali, who's doing a certain amount of projects, to Design Hex. Our project, the first project that we did was in Dubai, and that got featured and that got very good reviews. But before it got featured, I was so self-critical because I didn't have a reference point on what is working. Am I being relevant? Relevant means what is the
Correct.
trend
Trend
today?
going on.
Are people able to
relevant to the?
I was scared, but I still stuck to what came into me from my heart. Like, I want to do this in this way.
And people could see it largely.
I think it's because how they say your perception changes your reality.
Right.
And if you feel like, oh my God, I've done such a fantastic job, that becomes your reality, and the world responds to it.
Maybe you manifest
It. The universe responds to it, and I think that should bring a lot of confidence into you.
your energy and your vibes, as you
Yes.
were saying that day, Lina, they go into the universe.
Yes,
Right.
I truly believe in that because everything happened to me very naturally. It was not planned. I never tried to control it. Every design I created was also from my heart. I never tried to control it. And I feel like if that result has brought me here, then 100% manifestation exists. And my perception changes my reality. So I use it. I use it very, very strongly in my life every day.
इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद I manifest that हम तीनों को एक वेकेशन पे जाना चाहिए.
Asha, I'm not manifesting it yet, so if that doesn't come
नहीं,
through.
ये compulsory manifestation है. तुम लोग तीनों दोनों भी manifest करो इसको. हम लोग जाने
Okay,
वाले.
fine.
Okay, next.
Now, Shimona, we'd like to speak about your Vogue India moment. That was really huge for us. Getting a selfie light is like, a big thing. I mean, getting it right is like a full-time job, and you designed. So you spoke about your journey, Shimona. Now tell us the awards that you've won over the work you've done so far, and the magazines that your work has been featured in.
So, we've been graced by acceptance into some of the most reputed design magazines, publications across the globe. And I'm truly grateful for everyone who has supported us in the journey. But I think it has been really a journey about manifestation and putting in your best. Though I do not at all at any level judge the level that we stand at based on any kind of award that we received, because we know how authentic and how much of detailing and how much of hard work our team puts in to put anything that we put across. So I feel like whether a jury member or whether a certain publication is able to perceive that or not, I know how authentic it is and I know where it is coming from. So I feel like awards, when they come in, they are very welcome and very, very greatly accepted, and it's a moment of joy, especially from my team, for my team, who has really put in all of the sweat and blood into what we do. But I think still, it's never a measure of the kind of work that we do. And I feel like any and every award is big, and any and every award is actually not holding the kind of value that it would if I gave that the right to judge what we do there.
So can we talk about like awards, but you have rewards from your clients?
That's the right question to ask.
Yeah.
I think we really feel greatly rewarded and awarded when a client refers us to another client, when a client comes back to us for a second project,
That's
when a client writes
more
back
rewarding.
to us, Shimona, we're enjoying the space and thank you so much. I get messages sometimes from my clients, Shimona, I know sometimes you may delay a project, but we would always choose you because we know how much of attention you put into our design and our space and how you make it yours when you're. And the fact that I know that till a site is not handed over to a client, it's mine. It's my home. And every project is like that for me. So even to the point of getting hate messages from clients because of the delays, even if that is happening, I accept it. But I know I have to do it myself.
The quality cannot be compromised.
It's okay if it takes a month or two more. I will join my hands to the client. I will apologize, but I will not compromise it. So I think when that response from the client comes in, that's the true award.
Award for you.
Yes.
Wow.
That's the right question.
Absolutely. So दूसरा वाला similar question is, I think I really always wanted to ask your color philosophy. I mean, you're known for stunning colors. When a client says all beige, does the designer in you say scream कि क्या हो रहा है, ये क्यों मुझे पूरा beige करने बोल रहा है, कलर की क्या बात है, क्या हो रहा है colors में?
No, Aisha, it's not ever. There is no philosophy that I hold, but I think I just envision a kind of a space. If that kind of a space requires color, it'll have it. If that kind of a space requires more nature, it'll have that. So I think because I said I want to create a portal which I can go into and enjoy a new experience. So if that experience is a beige experience, I'm fine with it. But I feel like there has to be a wow factor. Rather than a color factor, there there has to be something wow about it. So if I feel like a wood is doing that for me, or some garden I'm doing indoor is doing that for me, I think that wow factor is what I chase
Yeah.
rather than color.
Color factor.
So I don't like, we're doing 5 homes now that are beige because clients who understood how deeply we are rooted in
Yeah.
design, they came to us. But last 3 homes that we did that got featured had a lot of color. They were by default, the clients at that point of time naturally were a little bit more color and whimsy oriented.
Okay.
But these clients got so scared and they were like, Shimona,
Thoda sa.
we want to design with you, but we know you use a lot of color and we'll have to hold you back. And somehow they think that if I'm not given that color opportunity, I'm losing on
Freedom.
something. But it's far from truth.
Far from truth.
Yeah, because what happens is
We are breaking this on this podcast. Look, she can design all kinds of homes and like this non-beige in color type.
I tell people I want to show you some other homes that have lesser color. But I think
But
some
we
of
will
the
see
ones
them.
that were most well received were the ones with color because
Recently, what you did, that even the one with the arcs with
yeah, so
walls,
there's
homes.
so what happened is now Papa Don't Preach got featured, and then House of 37 got featured,
Yeah,
and the
yeah.
Fable Home got featured.
Yes.
All had a lot of color and a lot of whimsical elements.
Right.
And I think those were the most well received projects of us. And I'll tell you why they were well received. It's not because that's what we do best, it's because the whole world right now is doing neutrals.
Correct.
So definitely these were going to stand out more, but
Yeah.
that doesn't mean we don't know how to do neutrals. We've won a lot of awards on neutrals as well.
Wow.
Rewards.
Rewards.
Not awards.
Okay.
So Shimona, you and plants, we know you have an internal love saga. So tell us, how did this obsession start?
For plants?
Yeah,
like
because
we
you're
have seen
convinced,
plants and trees and that
I'm a
forest
forest-
vibe.
I'm a forest
Yeah.
baby.
Because we're convinced
In all
that
your
plants,
designs.
how plants also have opinions now.
Yeah.
जब मुहारे होते हो ना, वो तो यहाँ यहाँ रहूँगा, यहाँ मैं मारूँ.
I feel like the only thing that I really miss being indoors, you know, when you're trapped inside 4 walls, is what lies outside, what God created, you know. This is all man-made. So I feel like we can play a little bit of God, at least by bringing in some greenery that we have in control of. The rest is all.
But it looks fabulous. All your
the use of plants.
and everyone can't do that. And everyone can't do that.
I feel like you know, whenever we create a space and we paint something, we bring in the furniture, it's still not breathing and living.
Correct.
It's
Right.
breathing and living when you bring in the plants, and I'm a total forest baby. Like
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind a forest right in the middle of my home. I'm trying to get that in my home.
Wow,
right
really?
now. So yeah, and
We would
every
love to
holiday
come.
I want to be in the hills, lost in the forest and finding my way out. So it's a very
I can
natural choice
imagine.
for me.
I can imagine. Okay. Okay, now rich fabrics and sensory luxury. So you love luxurious fabrics like velvets and silks, textures. So which is one fabric which instantly elevates the space according to you?
There's no one fabric, but I think I definitely need texture.
Okay.
Whether it's coming through a weave, it's coming boucle. I think it was a big fad, and because it's so seen and done, I think I'm looking at different forms of weave, and I love embroideries, and I love anything that is more tactile, and anything that because I feel like light plays a different role on a flatter fabric versus a textured fabric, and I like things to play with light. I don't
makes
like
a lot of
flat
difference, right?
And that's why instead of paints, I use textures because that light does something better. You're doing 2 or 3 colors at the same time. So, the more I can engage your eyes,
I don't know when you're saying that. You remember, Shimona, when you were younger, you were designing your own rooms, and I think later on your father-in-law and mother-in-law's rooms, which you changed, and there were the changes of lights in that instantly changed the whole room. And I had come and I said that what changed, because a lot of things had not changed, but it looked really different.
Yeah,
and you said that I did the light.
I think light is the master of transformation in spaces. But what you choose in terms of your color, what you choose in terms of your texture, light does a beautiful role in that, what do you call it? Like
Enhance
the
it?
alchemy of things. Like the
It's
alchemy,
like an alchemist.
the alchemy of what happens with the kind of color and texture when the light falls on it is what really transforms a space.
Magical.
Yes.
Ting,
So I think sometimes even if I keep the whole room the same color, if I just add texture in the same thing, it'll do a fabulous job. Yeah.
This was my and Nina's favorite question about doors and chandeliers. क्योंकि आपके doors और chandeliers, हाँ, क्योंकि आपके doors इतने handcrafted होते हैं, chandeliers इतने different होते हैं, looks like from Sanjay Leela Bhansali's movies, all from Alice in Wonderland, all from a gateway, I think, inspired country that you have. So
I mean, your doors have more personality than some of the people we know.
I think you're landing me in trouble because, you know, I tend to over-design sometimes. And sometimes I want to keep my doors simpler. So to say that every client is going to ask me to do their doors differently.
But you look lovely, yeah. You do such beautiful doors. You put so much of effort. Chandeliers, lights. इतना ज़्यादा you put efforts in your lights and chandeliers, doors, detail.
I will agree to you on the lights part. I will agree to you.
Doors.
And doors. And doors. But doors are more depending on what I want to do with the space. If my door is the wow factor of that space, and I'll spend a lot of time.
You have more personality than some of the people we know.
Yes, and like if I'm doing architecture, when I'm doing architecture, because our firm does architecture and interiors and products, if I feel like the wow factor is the door in an interior space, I will go to Hex Gallery and they'll design it.
Yeah.
They are
do architecture,
stunning. They are stunning. Let me tell you, we are in wow with it. They are stunning, and even the lights. I mean, even when we were little, your offices also, your lights were always the highlight. कि कहाँ लग रहा है वो कैसे दिख रहा है, कैसे उसकी textures हो रही है वो. And now that we started like Papa Don't Preach वाला जो section था, you have different lights in there, and it's beautiful.
No, so I agree about the lights because I cannot simply get myself to go to a store and pick a ready light.
Right.
Even when I work with a lot of brilliant lighting designers that we have in India now, I always make sure that we are collaborating on creating something absolutely new.
Right.
I know that a lot of other collections have come out of collaborations that we've done with lighting designers, and I feel like the home that I am designing should be the first
one looking like
with a new light. I don't know why that's an obsession. That's an obsession. Like I love to do good lights. Yeah.
Please note all.
Yeah, it's an obsession. I will agree to that.
Okay, so briefing after, how do you brief your team after you come out? You go for a travel, you get a getaway, you get 101 ideas, I know you, and you come back and you want to brief your team. तो ये कैसे होता है? Like you sip of a coffee, चलो हम लोग briefing करेंगे, या एकदम से आके चलो मुझे आइडिया आ गई, मुझे अभी बतानी है. ये टीम को ये कैसे होता है? ये क्या हो रहा होता है यहाँ पे?
I think I use my camera a lot.
Yeah.
And I just click because at that point of time I have no time to tell anybody anything or think.
घर आने के बाद.
You know what, Aisha? What is happening? It's become a problem now.
अच्छा.
If I'm traveling and if I'm seeing 10 things, sometimes it's difficult for me to also wait, look and take it all in,
absorb.
I click, and then look at it and then feel it completely later. So when we are starting a new site design and I sit with the team, so we do that one initial mood boarding process together.
Okay.
They bring in some images and then say, okay, this is great, but look at this. That's when I'll remember I had taken those screenshots and I wanted to tell them. Right. Whenever I look at a space, I know this is something I want to put into this site.
Did you take a picture and just put up in your WhatsApp group and then
not at that point of time. Only in that discussion when I know I want to show 5 or 6 key images that strongly hold the vibe or a sense of the site that we want to create now. Then I pull them all together and give it to them. And the whole design actually gets, that's the central focal point. Yeah.
Superb, right? I mean, because I always wanted to know कि आपके जैसे designers जब ऐसे inspirations लेते हैं बाहर जाके तो घर पे आके अपने team को कैसे brief करते हैं? कब brief करते हैं? कैसे brief करते हैं? How do you
I have taken images. When I wake up in the morning, and I always tell people that first half an hour when I keep my eyes shut, I'm awake, but I'm keeping my eyes shut. Sites get designed at that point of time in my head. I don't know how this happens, but I swear to God that is the time when it happens. So if I don't get my morning right, it's a problem.
Really?
Yeah. So people let me sleep.
Let them.
Now, this is a very special segment of our show, Shimona, because we are hosting and celebrating women that are strong, confident, self-made, talented, and passionate about what they do.
Yeah.
So, tell us about your journey as a woman, the kind of challenges you faced, in the business while taking it forward.
So, in our design community now, there are a lot of women, lesser in architecture, more in interiors. And the talk has been going on since a long time on felicitating the women designers, celebrating the women designers, and a lot of taken objection to that as well.
Because you don't have to distinguish them.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be distinguished, but I want to take a strong stand for a lot of women who are not from equally privileged backgrounds, who want to make it big, but they don't have the kind of family support that I got. They don't have the kind of setup at home to fall back onto where, you know, somebody's taking care of their kids.
Absolutely.
Nobody ever releases them or relieves them from the mom guilt, which never leaves you. It never leaves you. And I cry when I speak about it, you know, it'll never leave you. But we need to celebrate the women who step out of the house and, you know, they are compromising a little bit on something that they don't want to.
Oh, sorry, you're making me cry.
Yeah.
Oh God,
And
it's
each
got
day,
real emotion.
and I feel like
This will not be. I'm going to cut this short because you're crying and I'm crying
no,
too.
I'm fine now. There are a lot of men.
I am not. Look.
There are a lot of men who come out there and say that, you know, why in today's century, why you know, talking like that also. The fact that women are even talking about it is wrong. You should support women and women are equal. And it's good to say that, but I think families need to become more conscious that it is hard to make sure that every meal on the table is great for everyone. All the tiffins go out on time. The kids are performing to their best. Their mom is there when they need them. You know, to keep everything running properly, because even if your family doesn't pressurize you, you feel it. You feel it. So we have to celebrate women.
We have to celebrate women, because that's one thing that people, you know, don't understand.
And a woman can do everything, I think.
You know, we were at a podcast and we met with somebody who was a mom. She's a mom entrepreneur. She's a mom influencer, and she said something very impressive. I mean, nobody thinks about it, but it's true. She said that once you become a mom, you realize a different power in yourself, and once you become a mom, you can do everything. जो तुमको नहीं आता था वो भी तुम करने लगते हो, ये भी करने लगते हो, वो भी करने लगते हो, बहुत सारी चीजें करने लगते हो. And along with that you're talking about the mom's guilt part, it is real. And yes, there are lots of people who cannot fall back, and they do not have the emotional or a family support to help them to go ahead to do whatever they need to do.
And think about it, Aisha.
Yeah.
We you know,
we've been very privileged of where we are, and if you want to say that it's not easy, because even if you go to film stars or something, they have a lot of vanity and a lot of people who take care of their health, how they look, what they do. If you want to, you know, copy them, it's not easy in your everyday lifestyle. Same as a working woman who has been successful in certain things and who have a lot of, I think, background help. That should not be not seen.
Yeah, I think what I'm also trying to say is that it's not. I'm not putting women on a bichara.
Yes.
No, I am still celebrating.
Yeah.
Saying that they are able to do it really well. But I think an internal war that is always there, you know, the hormonal issues, and
of course,
and you keep falling in, and so, you know, men don't have that. They actually don't have that. They don't know every month those 10 days are different. Where even a small task is much more difficult, and it happens to you physically. And physiologically and psychologically. So it becomes, but you have to take the tantrum of your family, your, you know, everything,
all of that,
and do it gracefully, right?
Still, I think world treats this in a very flat way, that they say that equal things for equal places. For example, we just said that day, that even if you go to a workplace and they say कि ठीक है, सबके लिए equal है, men be equal, women be equal. अरे ठीक है, she is going to maternity leave, for example, she is going to maternity leave, आ जाएगी. So why don't you put that into system? Maternity leave तो वही कर सकती ना, तुम तो नहीं कर सकते हो maternity leave.
I'll take a different stand on this, Aisha. I think what happens is a lot of people may be misusing this stuff also.
Yeah.
I think that being a little more understanding, being a little bit more flexible to a certain extent will help. But I think equality in workplace needs to be there. It needs to be there. Even in treatment, even in payment.
But
even
I think in talent, not in talent.
In talent.
But no, equality has to be in talent in the way, but there has to be some differences given in terms of how a woman is feeling harmoniously, physically, emotionally in certain times of her life, especially when she has young children and all. It has to be very okay.
But Aisha, workplaces do not have to take the responsibility for that. Whereas there are some things that can be understood,
Yeah,
can
I'm
be
talking about
flexible.
understood.
But I think more support should just be sought from the family side of it.
I agree.
Yeah.
The family can make a big difference here, because if women want to be treated equally,
Comes back from
this is a part
Where
and
it comes
parcel.
from.
absolutely
See, it's not easy for a man either. A man's world is
Different.
very tough.
and
He's-
different.
It's very tough. He
Yeah.
has to prove himself. He has to, and like
Correct.
he can't cry, he can't express. I
Ah.
mean, that's how the norm
That-
goes.
Yeah,
Although it's changing
it's
now.
changing now. Yeah.
But it's tough. They have different kinds of difficulties,
Right.
but women have different kinds of. At work front, both have different kinds of challenges. Let's make that equal. But the
Let's make
family
it-
has a bigger role to play when the woman needs to be at the forefront in work as well. Like, I never took a maternity leave, but I was doing my own thing, right? I never took all 9 months with both my pregnancies. I was working.
Yes, I
But
remember.
I was able to manage my timings my way and
I
things like that. But if my output was there,
and you did fantastically well. I mean, she did.
Yeah.
You were working and you did fantastically well. So bravo.
yeah. So means other people can do it if family
Yes,
supports
supports
them. Yeah.
So what is one thing that women should unlearn, Shimona? Women should unlearn.
Women are, I feel like, in terms of if men are more ego, women are more jealousy. I feel like both can drop a little bit of that. Both can drop. I think women are not able to support women wholeheartedly because it's a tough world there. Because if I have managed to conquer all my fronts and go ahead, and if somebody else goes ahead, the woman like, ये मुझसे better
कैसे हो गई?
You know,
कैसे हो
I feel like it's the same
You need
with
to
men
lift each
also.
other up.
Yeah, I
and
think
put
it's
each other down.
difficult,
Yeah.
but you need to start understanding the world has enough for everyone. You can grow and somebody else can also grow and somebody can be equally successful. And nobody's eating your share of anything.
It's true. There is place for everyone.
I think we can drop a little bit of jealousy and men can drop a little bit of ego.
ये बहुत बड़ा सच है दुनिया.
I feel I've seen it. I've seen it.
Jealousy.
हाँ, जो बहुत बड़ा सच है. So
Women
let's
में
keep-
ज़्यादा है
हाँ.
than men.
Correct,
Jealousy.
correct.
And men
And
में
men
ज़्यादा
में
ego
ज़्यादा
than-
ego है than
Yeah.
women. That's where.
Sorry guys. Okay. पर हमको ये बोलना जरूरी है.
Learn something.
यहाँ पे कुछ और हो रहा है. यहाँ पे कुछ और ही हो रहा है. Sorry. Okay.
This brings us to the final segment of our podcast, the top 2 tips. So, Shimona, please tell our viewers your top 2 tips. It can be anything under the sun, whatever you feel and you believe in.
Since we are talking about this after the women segment, I am going to say what works for me because I'm
Okay.
I'm not a big person to give like life advice, but I'm going to just share something that
Yeah.
works for me. I think I've started taking a lot of joy in the little things in life, and I think the little things in life give you the actual, for example, when I used to see somebody walking on a footpath in the evening
हाँ.
slowly,
हाँ.
for me that was wow, this person can really know that in the evening 5 o'clock walk on the footpath like that, like they don't have to get to it.
No agenda.
I
Just
felt like those things became so important to me as I became more and more busy. Today on a Sunday, because I was working a lot, and on Sunday also then I had home things to do, and then I had to do some family things, and so there was no time at all. But that extra 1 hour that I'm getting on Sunday in my bed, like I love my blanket. Like I literally give it a hug, and I'm like, wow.
कितना मजा आ रहा है.
Then if I'm able to like binge watch something, like so I don't have to do anything. Can I really watch TV? And I'm watching TV and I'm watching something. Can I see whatever I want to see? I think that freedom to be able to decide what I want to do now and enjoy where I'm at, that's really changed my life.
Because
Like,
everyone
I don't feel dissatisfied.
Everyone has become so busy and stimulated all the time that those simple moments are really precious and like
yeah, they just want to
life.
be, do nothing,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
chill,
No,
relax.
but
I feel the same.
Let's put it from work front, okay?
Yeah.
If I'm sitting in my office and I'm doing something and I have a Tanuj and I have a Meghna and I feel like, wow, somebody's doing that for me. I don't even have to think about it. I don't have to think about my social media. I start feeling so good about it. I get these bursts of excitement and happiness, and people might see me as unstable sometimes. I'm angry at one moment and I'm smiling at one moment, excited because I'm enjoying everything. And I think That has made my life so beautiful and easy. It's easy to live every
It's a
day.
beautiful tip to even give everybody. I think if everybody starts doing that and reliving those small moments and being happy in them and being like really happy in them, it changes the game. It
Yep.
changes the game.
Yep. And I think there's something to be happy about in everything you're doing.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting here, on a full work day. I'm traveling. I'm taking an off for like a whole 10 days
Yeah.
from office
Oh
now.
wow!
And I'm sitting here and talking to my friends, and I'm like, wow, I don't have to work today. I'm really enjoying this conversation.
So nice.
I'm here. I can go out and have food at this place today because obviously I can't go and have lunch. I forgot to get my tiffin today. I didn't have the time in the morning, so I can go out and have a nice lunch. It's exciting me. So I feel like there's something to be excited
Appreciate
about.
the small things.
I love the small things. I think the small things are the most beautiful, the most.
Leena, appreciate me.
You are not small. So
ठीक है. Now,
second tip. Two
and
tips
second
now.
tip, do
Why
second
is
tip.
that?
No, second tip. You know why? Because I'll tell you, Shimona, we are top two
I'll tell you,
podcast.
I have
दो
one.
tips होते हैं last
I have
में.
one that transformed me also.
चलो बताओ.
The other thing that I want to say is that, it's tough to do multitask or be a woman and do everything. But the moment I accepted it, I'll tell you, acceptance solves
A lot of
everything. Till we are like, why is this happening to me? It's tough. And like, okay, this is happening. Okay, let's find a solution, and you're already out of it because you've taken the action. But as a woman, I have to be there for my kids. I have to do that. Oh my God, a life of woman is so tough. Okay, I want to be a good mother. Let me do this today. Oh, I don't have the time for it today. Let me, when you accept, ये तो करना ही है.
Be
Rather than
pragmatic.
think about it and try. I think the moment, and I think when I'm saying it, it may not sound like what I'm.
No, but
like
no,
it's
no,
so
be
life
Be
changing.
pragmatic.
But it's
It's
very
not life changing when you
Be
hear it, but just try to do it today. Whatever issue comes in your way, accept it. Okay, this issue has come. You're instantly, the moment you accept it, you're out of it. The moment you accept it. So I think acceptance, and always working on the solution forward and enjoying the little things has really transformed me as a person.
amazing tips. Really.
That's super. आप लोग सभी भी ये करो आज से, अभी से, कल से, अभी से ये करते ये YouTube बंद करते ही you're going to start doing these 2 tips.
So this brings us to the wrap, and it was a lovely conversation with
It was.
Shimona today.
It was.
And just before we sign off, we have a small little surprise for all our viewers.
Guys, from today's conversation, if you had 2 takeaways, put them down in the comment section and send them. And if you are the lucky winner, you will get a chance to experience the Design X Studio for the first time and understand what goes on behind the scenes of these beautiful masterpieces we create.
Wow, क्या बात है.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for this, because I think guys you'll have to grab this because it's going to be fantastic to all you aspiring people who want to get into interiors and architects and want to know what she does on a daily basis, and that one day can change your life. Even one moment can change your life. When
Very
you see right kind of people. So thank you so much for coming on this show. And if you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And please do comment. And thank you so much. And bye.
Bye.
Bye.